Hello everyone, my name is Kumar. I am from Delhi. I have completed my BCA in June 2022. I am always interested in IT sector. That's why I can join eVision. In eVision, I eVision in full day job internship. In eVision, I can learn networking, virtualization, CCNA, IITL, cybersecurity, and virtualization, how to crack interview, and etc. And through eVision, I can join Nityo Infotech Private Limited, and my CTC is 2.4 per annum. Thank you eVision for full guidance and support. Thank you all eVision team. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.